Figma's new variables and condition logic features a challenge for Axure? Figma recently added new features for variables and conditional logic, which can be used for advanced prototyping. You can find the details of these updates on Figma Learn. The recent addition of conditional logic and variables in Figma could pose a challenge to Axure. These new features allow Figma users to incorporate dynamic content and interactions more flexibly into their designs, which has been a long-standing advantage of Axure. With conditional logic in variables, designers can create more complex interactions, such as changing interface elements based on user behavior or creating intricate user flows. This means that Figma now better supports designers who need to create highly interactive and dynamic prototypes, which is a primary user base for Axure. As a result, it may attract some designers who previously chose Axure to switch to Figma. However, despite the potential challenge posed by these new features in Figma, Axure still retains its unique strengths. For example, Axure's data-driven functionalities, dynamic panels, and components in advanced widgets like repetitors are still highly useful in complex prototype design. While Figma's new features may create some competitive pressure on Axure, Axure still maintains its unique advantages and functionalities to cater to different design needs.